Good morning from Hackensack. It's Victor. It's time to wake up and smell the coffee. If you brew coffee in the morning like I do, my advice is to buy the cheapest coffee maker you can find, and to spend your money on great coffee like this organic Peruvian coffee that I found at Costco Wholesale in Teterboro. This is a whole bean coffee. It's a medium dark roast, fair trade certified, organic as I said, and you could have it. You could grind it in the store by yourself. There's 2 coffee grinders in Teterboro after you check out, and I grind my coffee very fine on the grinder. It's called Turkish grind. This exposes more of the coffee to the water, so you don't have to use as much. I put refrigerated water in the reservoir here up to the 6 mark. That gives you about 4 8-ounce cups of coffee, and I just used 3 scoops of this Turkish grind. So I also used these thin paper filters from Costco. I doubled them so that they don't collapse and the grinds get in the coffee. This coffee maker was about $15 at the local Target. The organic coffee runs about $4.75 a pound at Costco Wholesale in Teterboro. Enjoy!